Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, then go to to factory reset, select erase all data, then tap factory reset, wait for 10 seconds. Tap next, then wait for another 10 seconds. Tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.